Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 49, and this is from our intermediate flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at another rectangle with some circle cutouts. But this time what makes it different is obviously there's going to be two different cutouts. So if we head here to flat parts and we look for P49, just click this, and then on a little preview we can zoom in here. So now we can see we've got A for the width, B for the height, D sets both the circles sizes, and then we've got X, which is the distance between them, but from the center of each circle. So on the right here we can see we've got the four values. So let's just quickly run through it. So I'm gonna go just make a square for now, or square. So 200, 200. Then set the D first. Let's make this one maybe about 50, and then we make this one about 80. See what we've got here. So that looks rather straightforward. Now something to keep in mind, like I mentioned before, the X sets the value between the two circles, but not the actual edges, but from the center. So when you're using this shape, just keep that in mind. And also obviously if you set your circles too big, you can run into a problem, or you set your X too big. So let's set this to 200, say okay, and you'll see okay, it does not want to commit that job. And then same with D here, let's say we got 200, say okay, and also doesn't want to commit it. So that's one thing to keep in mind, is make sure that your X and your D does not together go larger than the A and the B. So I'm just going to say okay here. We're going to add one quick to our canvas. Manual quantity is 1, so add, and then let's add this to our little building blocks. So there we go, that is P49. As you can see, it's very similar here to the P27, but instead of having kind of a cutout from the edges, we're going to now be doing it more to the inside of the shape. But yeah, that is it on P49. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.